Hello everyone, how to do back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get Happy Money quick and safe application in your device. So basically this is a loan platform, a fast and secure online loan platform. Okay, so you can see the rating of the app 4.7 out of 5. So when you get any app that is more than 4, we consider that the app is really good. And 52k reviews, it means 52,000 people write something about this app. The size of the app is too light, only 6.1 megabyte, and you can see 1 million plus people already download this app or use this app. So here is some option, like you can check here, there are some main feature, and if you want to check the ratings and reviews, many people say it's really good. So go here and you can check a rating and reviews. Okay, so it's really easy. So what you need to get, you have to go Google Play Store or App Store to get this application. So once you come here and simply click on the install button, so it takes few time to install in your device. So friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.